So next stage is to do these little 4 brass spacers. I've put one in here. So the same sort of thing. Here's the bits in the pot. You're going to find the screw hole that matches the diagram, stick it through from the back, put your finger on it, twizzle the brass thing onto it, and that's pretty easy, I guess. But again, just check you get the right holes. Otherwise it's very boring. I have to take it all apart again. Probably the easiest thing to do is to assemble the board onto the pillars. So obviously this is what this is for. This is going to hold this. The ultrasonic sender thingy sits at the front, and the front is where this bit is, it seems. So that's going to drop onto those 4. Let's see this now. Let's put this in close. Right, so we're going to drop that onto there with the other 4 screws. So again, the same sort of thing, put the screw through the hole. It's really hard to do this and not touch the pins. In an actual electronics factory, you'd be tied to the radiator or something so you didn't get electricity on you. Again, you've got to get this one to line up with a thing behind it. It's fiddly, it's fiddly, it's fiddly. Easy to do by hand, actually. This is quite fiddly, this bit. In fact, this is so fiddly, I would suggest it's actually easier to do it the other way around. Put the pillars on the circuit board first. Right, I've got one to go in. Nope, it's not going around. Yes, it's going around. If you find the pillars going around behind you, put your finger behind it, grab the screw at the back. Obviously I didn't tighten that up very well. Then line up the other holes, and then it'll be easy to get the other ones in. Same trick, do the diagonal one first. Don't over tighten until the end, because then you've got a bit of wiggle room. So I'm doing it like this and holding the thing. This takes a bit of practice. You can get a screwdriver like this, you can hold the screw on with your fingertip, plug it straight in the hole there. Right, okay, so we're now at the next bit. So having wrestled the ultrasonic thing from its bag, eventually, I'm going to drop that onto its mounting in this little white thing here. You'll notice there's some little spines on the back of this, which means you can only put it in the right way around, but obviously the way it's going to go around is with the sensors facing front. So we push those into there like that. Just give it a wiggle, again push it from the back using the plastic. Check it's gone down, which it has. You just see that, I think. It's gone down, okay, fine. And the next bit of instructions is putting the top plate on and the battery box. And I notice it says charge the battery before use, so I'm just going to nip off and plug the battery into a charging thing. Just now, it's got a standard USB, so one of your Android phone chargers will do it.